In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Mission 2011 MCQs, that is the series mission n is equal to 0 to infinity n power n divided by 2 iota power n is solution, that is since limit n approaches to infinity, nth root of n power n divide 2 iota power n is equal to limit n approaches to infinity, nth root n power n divided by 2 power n equal to limit n approaches to infinity. So power cancel, that is n divided by 2. So n is equal to infinity. Infinity divided by 2 is also equal to infinity. Hence we can conclude that the series limit n approaches to 0 to infinity n power n divided by 2 iota whole power n diverges by using root test. So option C is correct, that is divergent. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.